to look at AUD USD using the weekly time frame analysis and Shavi FS Hub. AUD USD is practically bearish, and it looks like AUD will continue to drop. It looks like AUD will continue to drop from the structure of the market. Price updated three times in a supply roof and rejected every time price makes it to those level. In fact, of technical, the two drop in price rejection on weekly gave birth to this sell-off. So it became a point of entry after price escaping from this structure since April 2022. And when we look at it again to find out our floor, if you switch your line chart, you will see that, ladies and gentlemen, AED USD has broken out from the ascending trend line. What does this mean? I foresee a shrinking economy for Australia in 2025. Australia economy will go down so badly that United States dollar will pull it so low based on the structure. When you look at what price are doing, we have here a symmetrical triangle, and you can see the structure. They are both equal. Where price updated, a very nice chart pattern. And look at what price has done. Let's get it right. Update to update, and the return here and go off in the structure. So AUD USD will continue to drop. It's on a strong bearish sentiment. The reason for this we cannot explain it, but look at it from the chart. And when we look at it again from supply perspective, we have a strong supply roof at this level. You will see that here presents a buy opportunity where you have price as a close of Friday presents a buy opportunity for AUD USD. As here is a recap of a supply roof, return of demand, and price returns here demand. As the week opens signal, the price will go up in a fake buy, setting up a bullish sentiment in a bearish market, then ultimately come down and continue to sell the structure. This is what you're going to get. We'll come back and check it around February to see if we are right or wrong. So open of the market, most likely entire of next week is going to be a buy for AUD. The market is in a strong demand floor after a break of structure, price return on demand. On demand. Remember, we'll have a symmetrical triangle, we'll have a breakout already. So we need to go back and retest the demand floor. A broken demand floor becomes a supply roof. So on technical, you see, we use the most simplest approach without bothering you with so many grammars. A lot of traders use so many grammars to make this thing look so complex. It's, it's not what it is. The structure of the market does not require grammar. So What we see here that's going to happen next is that the market will continue to drop, and if the market continue to drop, we are going to find solace at this level. So this is what we get as the price continues to fall. Now price established a new roof and a breakout from that roof in previous past. So I want to see that structure return, and I want to see fulfillment at that level. We have a breakout structure at this level, a breakout from the supply roof, price returns on demand, and as price returns on demand, now you can see that it becomes very clear and critical for you to see why I say EUD will continue to have a bearish day. So those who are telling you go long, yes, it's going to buy. Next week is going to be a buy for EUD. Go check all my trades when I say buy, buy. GU to the moon, EU to the EA to the moon. They all went to the moon. Gold on a bearish drop. So we'll do a critical review on gold tomorrow to give a final verdict as to where the price is going. So when I say GJ to the moon, GJ actually to the moon, GA to the moon, EA to the moon. Now I'm telling you, AUD is going to buy next week. As it buys next week, is to respect the structure to go back to retest a broken demand floor and sell from there. So it's an opportunity to long AUD and short it again. So this time you're going to end up with more reward, more risk to reward ratio, shorting it than going long. So I don't see much Australian economy is going to do against the United States dollar. And we look at other fundamental analysis and let's look at the structure we have here as resistance structure, breakout of the resistance structure, and a possible retest price returns on demand and price returns on final demand and price of left. And I see AUD coming down to the structure where we look at this place, our buy zone. This will be a new buy zone with a potential go long opportunity. This is what we see for AUD USD. And the price return to this level will make a lot of sense where you can break the previous low, where it's going to break a March 2020 low. So for those who are hiding here, well, I'm going to be sorry for you. The price is coming for you. United States dollar is coming for you. And at this level is going to get smashed. It's a weekly time frame. So multi-time frame analysis, we start from the monthly, we do the weekly. So after now we'll go to daily. After daily we go to 4 hours. After 4 hours we go to 15 minutes to look for point of entry for AUD USD. Now we know on on the weekly time frame that we are approaching a demand floor. So we need to go back to the daily in search of a point of entry. Where on daily, we also scale down to 4 hours, still searching for entry position, after which we go for 1 hour, where we can also look for the same opportunity. And the most accurate is 30 minutes and 15 minutes, or you can remain with 4 hours. So this is what we see for AUD USD. The price will continue to drop. The weekly time frame is quite explanatory. Here you see the structure, breakout of structure, price returns on retest, and price return back to respect the structure. It is a weekly candle, so price is going to oscillate. You have that swing, which will ultimately go to retest a broken demand floor, and from that area, price begins to sell down. And it is what it is. It is what it is, and there is nothing we can do about it. I see a structure here while I was looking. I see a nice structure here. And that structure, I think, if you switch your line chart, you switch your line chart on, you'll find a breaker structure at this level. And that breaker structure ultimately also became a double confluence that sank price in the month of September. So we believe in so much in the structure of markets. And those times, a lot of people do not appreciate the only way of innocent strategy. But I tell you, the market, there are so many routes to financial freedom while analyzing the market. Everything you see here is fundamentally driven. So what it means is that a negative fundamental analysis can turn the ADD sell from this zone to a complete buy, where it will be a break of structure, break of a supply move and price return. So this is what we see, and this is the reason price has moved from that level. And we see here we have demand floor, break of the demand floor, and the retest as a supply route, break of the supply route, price returns on demand, break of the demand floor, price returns on retest as a supply route, break of the supply route, price came tested, break of the demand floor, price returns on demand, and a double confluence where an ascending trend line into descending trend line, price reporting. So this makes a whole lot easy. No too much drama, no CHOH, no breaker structure, no point of entry, no mitigation, no imbalance. Come on, stop all that.